Hello everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. Today we are going to explore something super exciting and powerful, that is Teachable Machine inside the Raise platform on Scratch. Teachable Machine is an amazing AI tool by Google that lets you train your own machine learning model using just camera, sound or images. No coding needed. In today's session, you will learn what Teachable Machine is, how to train your own AI model, how to import it into Raise extension in Scratch, how to use it to control sprites or trigger actions, and the complete demo project at the end. So, are you excited? But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support our channel. So, let's not wait anymore. Let's jump into the world of AI with Teachable Machine on Raise platform. Let's go! First, we are going to discuss about what is Teachable Machine in Scratch. Teachable Machine is actually a Google tool that train simple machine learning models without any coding. Now, there is a question come in our mind, what is machine learning? Actually, the machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that specially focus on developing models and algorithms that let the computer learn from data. It means whatever the data you will provide to the computer, on the basis of that data, it will learn, and by studying that data, it develop the model. And this developing model, it may predict what kind of the action would will be taken according to the data it get. If we're talking about why we use this teachable machine, first of all, it's very easy to use. No coding required, kids friendly, easily anybody can understand. And also it's fast model training tool. It can easily work with the camera, sound and pose detection. You don't need to write any typical syntax here. So definitely it's very easy to use. And that is why it's perfect for AI based Scratch projects. Now if you're talking about how we can use this teachable machine in Raise on Scratch, we know it's a block-based programming language. Here, we no need to write any kind of code. In the Raise, it's very easy to use. You can easily integrate it. Just you need to import teachable machine model by using URL. And afterwards, you allow to integrate your game by using vision, sound and poses, whatever kind of model you have created. By using teachable machine, it's very easy to create your models, and then afterwards by the using URL you can integrate in the Raise on Scratch. Now we'll show you what are the steps we need to follow while we are going to import teachable machine model in Raise. The first step, we will collect the data in teachable machine in the form of image, in the form of sound or pauses. Then afterwards, we train the model, and then we will import the model link in the form of URL on Raise platform on Scratch. Then afterwards, we will use AI blocks in Scratch, and then according to that, whatever you want to take the action from your sprite according to the different images, pauses and sounds, whatever you have used to train your model, and then your sprite will work accordingly. So is it cool? Yes. So it's very easy to use and the result is really amazing. Now we're talking about the benefits of teachable machine use in Raise on Scratch. First of all, by using this tool, you definitely learn AI in fun way. It's also support the creativity because by using different images, pauses and sounds, you can give the command to your sprite to perform different actions, and it improve the creativity in your games and animations, whatever you want to create on Scratch. And definitely by using this teachable machine, it helps the student to learn how this machine learning work. Here, while we use teachable machine and Raise platform on Scratch, definitely you're not required to install any kind of software. Directly it will work in very smooth manner without any installation, without any coding. Now, with these many benefits, there are some restrictions which we need to keep in mind while we use Teachable Machine in Scratch. So here there are some restrictions and limitations, but it's not too big to bother about actually. But here in the last session also, I have already told you while we use Raise platform, we need internet connection. We can't be work without internet on Raise platform. So definitely while we work on the teachable machine, we need internet to train our model. And here the result of your trained model, it depends on good data. So while you are going to store your data to create your model, either you are uploading different images, you are uploading different sounds or any kind of pauses, that should be clear. If the image is clear, sound is clear, definitely if your data is good, according to that trained model is also good, and then your result is also good. As we have already discussed in the previous session, this RAISE platform is specially designed for the young learners to learn about AI in a fun way. So definitely this model is not ideal for very complex models. It's really helpful for the young learners to understand how this machine learning work, how we can create our trained model and we can import it, and on the basis of that we can improve our gaming and animation pattern. But definitely for the complex model, teachable machine, Google tool will not work. So this is only some restrictions we have while we use the teachable machine. Now I'll show you how this teachable machine will work in Raise platform on Scratch. So let's go. So now, first we are going to open Raise Playground in Scratch. For that, I will type over here Raise Playground in Scratch. Just click on enter and you can see this is the first option. I just open in new tab. Okay, so this is our Raise Playground. Okay, I just open my playground over here. Yes, so this is our Raise Playground in Scratch. Now I'm going to click on the add extension because here we are going to add extension, that is Teachable Machine. Now you can see this is our Teachable Machine extension we are going to add on our Scratch screen. So you can see here different blocks belongs to the Teachable Machine Google tool. It's here. Now by the click on this button, we will move to Teachable Machine site. Okay, so I just click on it and now you can see the Teachable Machine site is open. Here you can create new project by using images, by using audio sounds or by using different pauses. So I just click on the images because here I am going to create the image project. So there are two options, embedded image model or standard image model. First I'm going to choose the standard image model. And there are two options is come. If you want to use the image model, you can use webcam. So direct images you can upload it, or also you can use the uploaded image which is already present in your system. So here I'm going to show how we can use the webcam. So I just click on the webcam and now you can see my screen over here, right? Now, while you are going to create the training model, at least you need to create the two classes. Here I am going to give the simple actions. First, I will move my face to the left side, and in the second class, I will move my face to the right side. And according to that, I will give the instructions to my sprite and it will perform accordingly. So minimum you need to create two classes over here and maximum you can create as per your wish. Okay, so first I'm going to create two classes here. So in the first class, I'm going to move my face to the left side. Okay, and just I need to click on hold to record. You can create as many images you want. I just click on this hold to record again and again. It's good if you will create 20 to 25 images for your training model. So I have created 22 images for this class, and for the next, I'll move my face to the right side. Okay, and now again I just hold to record. Now here also you can see I have created 22 image sample. Now automatically you can see the train model button is pop up. So I just click over here. It's preparing your data. Okay, now your model is ready to export. Okay, so you can see, so before you are going to export your model, just you can check over here, like if you move right side, you can see the class 2 showing 100%. If I'll move to the left side, it show class 1 100%, right? So our model is working perfectly, right? Now I'm going to export it. Okay, now I will upload my model. It's uploading. Okay, it's uploaded, and you can see here is mentioned your cloud model is up to date. And here the shareable link is also generated. We'll copy this link. Now go back to Race Playground on Scratch. And here I don't want this sprite, so I am going to choose one more sprite. I will choose ball. Okay, and this sprite I'll delete. And here I will use this block use model and paste my URL over here. Okay, so my URL is here. And now to show the effect of my model, first I'm going to take when the green flag click block from event. And now first I'm going to on my camera. So I take turn this video on and off button, and here I just click on and I just click on green flag. So you can see it's updating model showing over here, and once it's updating it show model uploaded. So you can see my camera over here. I just make the transparency set to 50%. Want to change, you can do it. So I just make it 90% right now. So you can see it's showing very blur, right? So you can change the transparency as per your demand. Sometimes in your game, you don't want to show your face, but the actions you want according to your body is moving. So you can do it. You just make the transparency to the 100, and then afterwards you can do the actions accordingly. Okay. So now you can see here the transparency we have set, video is on, the URL is set. Now what I want here, I want to take the actions according to the class I have created, and on the basis of that, the color of that ball should be changed. So first what I'm going to do, I will change the size of this ball. I'll make it 300%. Okay, big enough to show the color changes, how it's going to affect. And now I will take this block when the model detects. Here you can see two options are coming, class 1 and class 2. So I will choose class 1 first, and here I want to change its costume. So you can see here multiple costumes are present in this ball sprite. So here first I'm going to look and take switch costume to B when I choose class 1 and make it duplicate and place it over here. Switch the costume to class 2. When I choose class 2, its costume should be C. So you can see in the costume, the B1 is blue color ball and the C1 is pink color ball. The costume color should be changed as I will move left or right. And I also want to stop this model when I press space key. For that, I'm going to event block and take when I press space key, my video turn off. So I'll take the video should turn off and stop all. So I'll go to control and take stop all. Okay. So this is very small code here. Simple actions we have given. First, when I just click on the green flag, video will on, and transparency you can set according to your wish. And then afterwards, if I'll move to the left side, it will going to change to blue, and if I'll move to the right side, the costume change should be pink, right? So according to that, it will work. So first I just click on the space key, so you can see the video should be turned off and then stop all, right? Okay, so you can see my video is not visible now. The camera is turned off and everything is stopped. And here, if you want, the ball color should be the same, which is the earlier one, that yellow ball. You can add this block as well here. So I'll go to look, switch the costume when I press to the space key, and I will turn to A. Now again, I just press on the space key and you will see it turn to yellow, right? So it means our program working well. Now the transparency, I will make it 50 again, so you can see easily the effect, how it will work. And now here I'm going to click on the green flag. Okay, you can see my camera is on, and now I will move here, it's turned to blue, and if I'll move this side, it turned to pink, right? So you can see how smoothly it's working. If I'll turn move blue, and if this side, pink, right? And if I'll just click on the space key, it stops. It's working perfectly, right? And it's very easy to use. Again, you want to try? I just click on the green flag. Okay. See, it's yellow. Now it's it. Change to pink. Now again, blue. Now again, pink. Now again, blue, right? It's working good, right? So you see how this teachable machine tool, it's very easy to use in Race Playground on Scratch. So by using this teachable machine AI tool in Scratch, you can create multiple kind of games and animation very smoothly and improve your creativity as well. I hope you like and understand this video. If you like, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends who love the Scratch coding. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Bye-bye.